So this is a beautiful, absolutely beautiful lilac point minuet, non-standard, which means normal legs. And she is absolutely beautiful, proper chocolate box kitten. Hey. If we can get her to look at the camera, would be good. Go on in. She loves the camera, don't she? Absolutely gorgeous. Isn't she beautiful? Beautiful little girl, aren't you? You know, you're trying to steal my heart, aren't you? Hey, hey, hey. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Hey. So she's a what they call a lynx point, which means she's got slight stripes in her legs and on her head. This beautiful lilac coat. Lilac is very, very pale chocolate. As I say, she's got these lovely little stripes in her legs. So it's what we call a lynx point, which is very, very rare. Such a rare colour this is. You are adorable, aren't you? You are just adorable. Yeah, cheeky. Oh, you've got your coral cork. There you go. There you go. Tinker. Little tinker, aren't you? Very vocal, this one. Wants to be with you all the time. Very affectionate little girl. Cheeky, aren't you? Oh, yes, you're showing off now. You're showing off now. Yeah, you know you're adorable. You know you're adorable.